Azazao, PhD. Eze, Mwachukwu Eze is my name. I represent the good people of Ebonyi, Ohuku Federal Constituency. Most revered colleagues, I am from the rice production state, the most peaceful state, governed by the most generous governor in Nigeria. I'm talking about Ebonyi State, the salt of the nation. Most revered colleagues, this is a bill for an act to repeal the River Basins Development Authorities Act (CAP) R9, Laws of the Federation of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 2024, and enact the River Basins Development Authorities Bill for equitable distribution of river basin authorities in Nigeria and for related matters. Mr. Speaker, I move that this bill be read the second time.
Any seconder?
Mr. Speaker, this is a bill for an act seeking to repeal the River Basins Authority Act of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Recall that these river basin authorities were established late 1970s. I'm going straight to the point. I'm not reading directly from this because it's lengthy. Let me abridge it for want of time.
Please go ahead.
The essence of this bill is to address the injustice, the inequality that the Southeast is suffering. Every other zone in Nigeria has two river basin authorities.
Every geopolitical zone?
Every geopolitical zone.
Except
the Southeast. That is with one called the Anambra Imo River Basin Development Authority. Now, this bill seeks to address these deficiencies, considering the fact that Southeast contributes heavily agriculturally in the state. In the Southeast, we don't have even a single dam to serve our farms. We only farm once in a year. So the river basin authorities being saddled with this primary assignment. A second one needs to be created in the Southeast, preferably situated in Ebonyi State because of the agricultural potential of the state. It will serve the purpose of providing water, dams, which is essential amenity for mankind. In fact, the primary aim of the government. So to bridge this gap, which this government in establishing a development commission so far has done well, let it be trickled down to this particular aspect, because water is life. And our people, we don't have it. Not just water,
so that is all the bill is about, creation of additional river basin for the Southeast, right?
Yes, and it's not injurious to any zone or to anybody.
Okay. So, Honorable Wase, you are now probably more enlightened concerning